Welcome to the Year 8 lesson for the Within strategy. In this lesson I'm learning to solve word problems using the Within strategy on a double number line. Let's imagine I can wash 3 cars in 12 minutes and I want to work out how many cars I can wash in 20 minutes. Well, to start with I'm going to draw a double number line. So I draw a line along here, and it's called a double number line because I'm going to have numbers on the top and numbers on the bottom. On the top I'm going to have the number of cars, and on the bottom I'm going to have the number of minutes. And I'm going to start by writing on all the information that I know. So I know that I can clean 3 cars, and that takes me 12 minutes. And I'm trying to work out how many cars I can clean in 20 minutes. So up here I'm just going to put a little question mark. Now in the Within strategy I'm trying to identify a relationship between these two numbers here. Now if I look over here I'm going to have to head in this direction. So I'm looking for a relationship between these two numbers in this direction. Well, I know 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So that means the relationship over here must be the same as well. So I'm going to have to make this side 4 times smaller as well, and I'm going to do that by dividing by 4. And I know that 20 divided by 4 is 5. So that means if I can wash 3 cars in 12 minutes, I can wash 5 cars in 20 minutes. Let's try another example. This time, let's imagine I've got a printer that can print 70 pages in 10 minutes, and I'm trying to work out how many pages it can print in 3 minutes. So I start off the same way. I draw a double number line, and on my number line I'm going to have the number of pages, and I'm also going to have the number of minutes. And I start by writing on all the information I know. Well, I know that I can print 70 pages, and that takes me 10 minutes. And I'm trying to work out how many pages I can print in 3 minutes. So I'm going to put a little question mark down here. So you can see I'm trying to head in this direction and work out what this question mark will be. So I'm going to come over here and try and spot a relationship between these two numbers in that direction. Well, I know that 10 times 7 is 70. So now I'm going to come over here to this side and do exactly the same thing. 3 times 7 is 21. So if I can print, or my printer can print 70 pages in 10 minutes, I could print 21 pages in 3 minutes. Let's have a think about the important things to remember in this lesson. Well, to start with, we're using a double number line, which means we've got numbers on the top and numbers on the bottom. The second thing we did was write in all the information that we knew. So in this example, we knew all of these numbers. Our next step was to identify a relationship between these two numbers to help us work out this number. So here we divided by 4, so we did that over here as well. In the example down below here, we saw that this number was 7 times bigger, which meant this side had to be 7 times bigger. You can find the activity sheet that goes with this lesson in the Teacher Tools Fractions, Decimals and Percentages book from the White Book collection.